The video quality may be low, but the protein count is high in this one.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, this is how to make a high protein, super high protein, low calorie. Lowish, very nutritious, great for cutting, great for dieting, great for feeling full. Protein tortilla quiche. Alright, it's quiche time. Welcome to the kitchen. The first thing we need is a cake tin. Personally, I'm on the Heineken Zero, fun-free beer.
That flame. I'm on a M&S, Marks and Spencer's, low alcohol Czech lager. It was a birthday present from Cameron.
3 high protein tortilla wraps. You want to lightly oil them. A little bit in.
I'm just going to buy a spray bottle.
Well, that's quite nice, that one.
Nice one.
A lot better than the other.
We've had some that weren't quite so nice, haven't we, Cameron?
I'm going to get your cake tin. You're going to layer them.
I know. Like a farmer.
A flat bottom, right? This is going to be your base. What's normally the base on a quiche?
Pastry.
Pastry.
Short crust pastry.
No short crust. Take over, Hannah.
No short crust pastry here. No, we have high protein wraps.
200 milk, 4 eggs. Now, Jonathan Turrell has been fired. This could be our petition for the new BBC Saturday morning hotspot John and Lisa replacement.
That's on ITV.
ITV, sorry if you're watching. Once again, this is the high protein part of it. You'll give that a good little mix up. Clean as you go. Meat's on place. Season it as you will.
Oh look, there's one yolk I didn't break.
Salt, good recommendation.
Rubs.
A lot of salt. At this point, you want to preheat your oven to a good degree. We go with 190. 195.
Say so?
Asparagus and broccoli. Blanch that for 2 minutes.
Blanc.
Construction time. Take your base. Layer in asparagus and broccoli.
It's me trying cottage cheese for the first time in a very long time. Wish me luck. Is that alright?
Next up, you want to grate some cheese. I know everyone loves numbers, so let's say 30 grams of cheese, but quite frankly, just do it to your wrapper. Low fat cottage cheese comes next, just put a load of it on there. What are we going with now? 4, 5 spoons? 5 spoons. Once again, extra protein. This is super high protein. Now, you can pour your egg mixture on there. Finally, you want to top it with 2 slices of honey roast ham. We're vegetarian, so we're using vegetarian ham. Top that with a little bit more cheese. This is what it looks like before it goes in the oven. And there we go. Super high protein, super easy. You're going to put that in the oven for 55 minutes. But check it after 50 because you never know.
Check this.
Oh, look at that. Look.
Ooh, child.
Delicious.